back to the shop. It's Tuesday, the 11th of September, 2018.
Hi, everybody.
Alrighty, 11th of September, Day of Remembrance. I kind of think about those who perished in the Twin Towers and the aircraft at the Pentagon. Kind of a sad day. 17 years ago, is that right?
17, yep.
Alrighty, so Day of Remembrance. It's also about midway through September. We're a third of the way through. Fall's in the air. A lot of leaves on the ground, so we got fall on the ground, but summer's still in the air, 90s temperature, and humidity. What is the humidity? 100%?
100%.
Incredible.
But it is cooler tonight.
Yeah, so Georgia fall is here. It's only 100 degrees in the daytime, so the cooler weather is coming. All right, let's move on. Now, let's talk a little bit about who was here this weekend. Not many people showed up. In fact, only Michael came over. And we're trying to debate, was it Thursday night he got here or was it Friday? Not sure. Michael, in the comments below, let us know what day it was you got here. I think it was Thursday. But anyhow, had a good time with Michael here. Got a couple of projects completed. We'll talk about that more in just a little bit. Alrighty, y'all. Let's move on. Alrighty, now let's talk about some of the projects we worked on this week in the shop. Mom worked on some more of a resin pours. Didn't complete any of them, did you?
They still need sanding.
Still need some work on them. We went to an auction, had a great time at the auction. Did some really, really good buys. We got 2 Dyson vacuum cleaners for $70.
The ball ones.
Yeah, the ball ones, really, really nice. They work extremely well. Got those. And we picked up this little beauty right here. We got a Wagner, and I'm going to try to hold this up, see if you can see it.
You can see it.
All right, that's a Wagner Flexio 590 paint sprayer. We got that for just a couple of bucks, and cheapest we could find it was $109 online. It's brand new. Doesn't look like it's ever been used. Had to drop the paint run through it. Looking forward. Now that's going to help
me
in the next couple of days. That's really going to make a huge difference, not only in the amount of projects we can get done, time we can save. What it's really going to help us on, I think, is kind of the economy of all this.
Oh, yeah.
The finances of
Instead
all
of buying
this.
spray cans.
The rattle cans get expensive. We picked up a couple other things, some Halloween decorations here behind us that we got picked up, and we'll talk a little bit about more of them in a second here. Let's see, Halloween decorations. We got, Mama worked on those. I think we got some of your, do we have any of your Halloween decorations?
Yeah.
We got these little guys here.
Yeah.
Mama worked on some of those. They're not completed. That's not a completed project because we got so many to do. Mama worked on a bar stool she found. Now this thing's really, really neat. Maybe get some pictures of it. It is just a bar stool, but hopefully get it completed. Probably not before we this weekend we go to the show, but we'll be getting it completed in the next couple of weeks. We repaired some of the auction find stuff. Mama had to do a little bit of work with Frankenstein here, and I think this guy here I had to cut a piece of wood for. Other than that, everything was in pretty good shape. Cleaned up a couple of things and got it already in the show trailer. And then Maggie had surgery. Maggie had that thing on her side removed, and she is now in the cone of shame. She's actually sitting here, I think, kind of around the camera, so if the camera shakes violently, she hasn't figured how to walk around stuff with the cone of shame on. She keeps running into everything. So if the camera shakes violently, it's part of 2 dogs woodworking in wood.
Either that or she scoops it up.
That's it. It gets dirt in it.
Gets dirt in it.
Let's move on. Now, let's talk about projects completed, and as we always do the week before a show, we got a lot done. Michael and I went and picked up 15 pine logs over the other side of Thompson on Saturday. 2 loads. Got really, really nice loads of pine here. They're sitting over here next to the mill. Michael completed 2 really pretty pens.
Gorgeous.
I think one's a pen and one's a pencil. So
yeah, it's a set.
Used some of that black walnut that I think we got from him about a year ago or so that I went up and got from him. And he did some work with that. Absolutely gorgeous pens. No, we're not going to show them to you because we left them over at the house and we're going to run across with the rain going on this evening. We completed that tabletop swap. Now, we talked about that before. We had a lady come into the booth at the last show, saw a tall table that we had for an end table, and she said, hey, do you have 2 of those? And just so happened that we had another set of legs that matched the legs that were there. I mean, dead on match.
Dead on,
same thing. And we had a tabletop on a smaller, shorter table there that matched the top of the table that was up there that she was interested in. So we swapped the little tiny short leg table and put that top on the big empty set of legs. So now we have 2 really nice end tables. So we'll be taking those back up. So we got that tabletop swap done. I milled some pine boards. Now I milled 4, let me see if I can remember this, 4 1x6s for a guy at work, 10 foot long. They actually come out being closer to 11. and then I did 3 2x3s. He needed some specific stuff cut. He needed 2. By the time I was done with the log, I could get him a 3rd one essentially for free, so I got him that. And then I've got 3 of the prettiest, nicest 2x4s, 11 feet long, straight as arrows over here, sitting on the floor. And then I got a bunch of nice lumber sitting out here, 1x6s, 1x8s, 2x2s, a bunch of this really nice stuff sitting out here. It's going to be used for projects and stuff on that. Mom and I finished the bar cart. Oh my gosh.
Gorgeous.
That thing is gorgeous. Mom,
I have pictures of it too.
Yeah, we got some pretty pictures. So if you want to see some pictures of it, we'll put a picture up right here. All right, hopefully that worked out, and y'all get to take a look at that. If not, we'll take pictures of it while we're up at the Lakewood 400 Market this weekend.
And post it.
Now, for the big news. Who did the biggest project? Who completed the biggest project this week? Kimberly completed the biggest project. Why don't you tell them about Kimberly's project?
She delivered a gorgeous baby girl. 7 pounds, 12 ounces, 20.5 inches long. Big baby girl. Her name is Anna Avery, born the 6th of September. So she's our biggest project so far. She's gorgeous. They worked hard on her.
Kimberly's been working on that project for a long time. Put a lot of hours into that one. Thank you, Kimberly. We appreciate it. Absolutely beautiful project. And we'll share a picture of her with you right now. So look right here. All right, I hope that worked out when you got to see a picture of Anna. Beautiful baby, beautiful baby. Do we have an excellent big sister?
Oh, yes.
The Butterbean has really...
She has stepped up and is just loves that baby to death already.
Yep, really, really good. All right, let's move on. And tea really is good. All righty, shows and markets, markets and shows. Let's talk about what's happening. Well, this weekend, the 14th, 15th, and 16th, we are going to be up in Cumming, Georgia, Lakewood 400 Antique Market. Looking forward to that. This is going to be a really, really good show. I feel it in my bones.
I do too. It's going to be awesome.
We got those 2 end tables. We're going to be taking a bunch more wood than we have been taking. We just got tons of projects and really have a good time when we go up there. So we look forward to getting up there. We look forward to seeing Michael, maybe having dinner Thursday night, Friday night, and then Saturday night with Michael. So looking forward to that. Not Thursday night. I won't be there Thursday night. So Friday night, Saturday night.
Friday night,
looking forward to having dinner with him. And then 13 October 2018. It's a Saturday. It's Mule Days. It's second weekend in October, and in Washington, Georgia, that's always Mule Day. So we'll be up there. So if you can get by and see us, we'd sure love to see you. It's a great show. It really is. It's one of our favorites.
Awesome.
And then that'll be a full day of fun and excitement. So y'all come on by and check us out there. Okay, let's move on. All righty. Upcoming for Two Dogs. Let's talk about what's coming up for Two Dogs. Okay, we got the Lakewood this week, and we already talked about it. After that, starting next week, Monday, Tuesday, probably more on Tuesday, I've got these 15 pine logs that Michael and I just went up and picked up. We just talked about it. I'm going to put them on the mill, and I'm going to start cutting them into cants. Y'all know I love putting them into cants because it makes it so easy to cut boards when we need them. It's already partially dry. It's easy to move. Zip, zip, zip. You cut off what you want. So we're going to try to get 15 cants done in a week. It's going to be tough, but I think I can do it by myself. I think I got it staged.
If not, I can come help you some.
So I think we'll get that done. And then it is full scale. Get ready for Mule Days. Why don't you tell us a little bit about what we're going to be doing for Mule Days?
Mule Days. He's already got my 2x4s cut. That's some of our Halloween projects that are behind him. The little cats and stuff. We're going to have those done. We're going to do a bunch of scarecrows and snowmen. The what do you call them?
I call them sign people.
Sign people, I guess you could call them. We're doing some signs that say, you know, Happy Fall Y'all on one side and 'Tis the Season on the other, so they're reversible. We've got chargers. We're making some chargers, making some more tables. If all of our stuff sells this weekend, we really got to kick it up. So other than that, it's just Halloween, fall stuff, and getting ready for some of the Christmas stuff too.
So yeah, we're getting into that busy time of year. We'll be doing fall and transitioning over even to some Christmas winter stuff coming up here pretty quick. So yeah, that time of year kind of to get busy and get to moving in the shop. Alrighty, let's move on, guys. Alrighty. Well, actually, I think that's just about it. Do you have anything else for them this evening?
No, I can't think of anything else that we hadn't already brought up.
Alrighty. As always, we'd like to say thank you for watching the video. And remember, we'd love to see you
Back in the shop.
Welcome back to the shop. It's the 11th. No, it's not. It's Tuesday the 11th, and don't slide the chair up.
I don't know, I like the chair slide. That was kind of
Good sweet tea. Good sweet tea.
very good.
Alrighty. Well, I forgot where I was at. How can I do? I've done this a million times. It's like show number 74.